imagine Shaman King? You should really watch that show. I really look I'm bringing to the camera. Wait, I also need to put an ad on my hair, so it's a mess. Yeah, okay. Smoking kills. Don't, smoking's bad, don't do that. If you can tell by the title of this video, it is episode 2.5 of the OBD2 B18C Civic swap. And the biggest news, it's running. And we're just gonna track back to after the previous video when I finally got the RPMs down and really worked out the kinks. And I had a friend come over to really help me out. So let's just start from there and we'll kind of jump back and forth between then and now. So let's just go back like a month and a half, 2 months to before I left to New York and check out what I did. I bought another throttle body off eBay. This is it. It's a lot dirtier than the one I have, a lot more calcium, a lot more random rust spots, and just overall not that great. So I'm gonna try not to use this. Right now, we have the original throttle body in the engine. Let's just put into perspective that right here, there is a little Phillips head screw right there, right? I am gonna just turn this. So right now, it's at about I wanna say 45 degrees to the left. Probably not good for the idle, that's probably why. Because if you turn the idle this way, you're loosening the bolt, meaning that the idle will increase. Okay, next day! There's 2 things I'm about to kill in this garage today. 1, my lungs, 2, potentially my car, because we're gonna start it today. But I'm gonna raise my car up real quick because this needs to be jacked up so I can bleed the coolant. Like, comment, subscribe, because I have to say this part. If it's at the beginning of the video, it's at the end. Today is day 3. I'm gonna show you this quick. I am done. Old throttle, the new throttle body, new, and the current one. This is the wrong one, this is the right one. And what I decided, because 3,000 RPM is a lot. It's supposed to, without the idle air control valve, it should be down to like 450. So I'm 3,000 RPMs too high. That means there's a vacuum leak somewhere. I'm gonna redo all the lines because there's not that many things I need to fix. There's just this one last thing. I just wanna run the car. All the wires. This is basically a jumper for now, and I'm gonna actually resplice every single wire once I confirm this works. And basically I have the OBD2 wires right here. Ground, K-line, and power. Gonna route it all the way to a OBD2 port. Took off another car. Rat's nest. I know, I get it. Not understandable, no one gets this. But for now, this is what it's gonna be. If the car runs, I don't care. It'll just, for now. Anyways, let's get to wiring this in and then we'll check what's wrong with the car. Okay. I take OBD2. Stick it in like this, I think? No? Be right back. Okay, got it. Okay, there should be a code that says it is missing the O2 sensor, and it didn't find any codes. Basically, I got the wrong throttle body. Very, very unfortunate. And then I ended up going on my trip to New York, so that was a big, 1 week long thing, and then I took a break, and a lot of stuff been going on, so I ended up not really posting any videos, only a couple food ones here and there. But after my trip to New York, a friend of a friend named Simon came through and kind of took a look over my car. He used to be a mechanic at a shop, now he has another job, but he had all the tools. So he basically checked everything from making sure every single switch on the valves worked out and make sure everything kind of just turns on. How does this work exactly? I'm just feeding it power to see if see how it's clicking. Yeah. So the valve, that valve is opening and closing. I just want, if it wasn't doing that, that means then a big problem. Okay. It's clicking now. Yeah. Be back. It's been a couple days. I have a professional checking this out. Check that out. 15? Yeah. So is It's a eval? What?
Oh, I should have let go and see what it went to.
You can do it again?
Let's do it again real quick.
Yeah.
Hey, but we have a general idea. We're bringing that number down, right?
Fair enough. I guess that's the problem.
It was a 1500, right?
Yeah, and then you let it go, it went up.
Oh no, you didn't.
It went to 2500 immediately. It is what it is.
It's keyed on. I have 12 volts. Can we just start it one more time? Ready?
Yeah, ready?
Go.
It's 15. Did you leave it plugged in?
I plugged it in for like the last 2 seconds.
It was 15 at the last 2 seconds. What did we change? What the f did I change in the last 2 hours we're touching this that changed it from 35 to 15? Hello?
That's what I wanted to check as well. Because if you think about it, we actually didn't even start it when I got here.
No.
We assumed it was at 3500.
Which it did the last time I started it. Since then I didn't touch it.
When was the last time you started it?
Before I left to New York. It just sat here. The engine's not gonna blow up this time. And for some odd reason, it worked. Everything worked. I replugged everything. I kind of unplugged it to make sure it was good. Replugged it, make sure it was good. Everything kind of worked. But so I let the coolant bleed. It was a very long process. My garage was stinking up because, well, as you know, I do not have a cat. I'm getting that installed at a shop another day soon because I want to drive this car around, get those miles in, let the engine break in, let the transmission and clutch break in, let everything break in. So hope for the best. It was a big struggle. Now the car's running and, you know, me, I drive it around. I kind of made a car alarm couple go off and I feel kind of bad. I'm never driving like this again. So this is the only time you're ever going to hear my Civic catless out the tethers and that's it. So I was smelling a lot of fumes. It was great. I had to wear my AirPods for some of the clips because it was cool. I didn't want my hearing to go bad. But yeah. And oh, also, my friend Brandy got it tested out. RPM's a little. Woohoo! It started.
That downshift though.
No shit. It's so loud. Dude, it's so loud. I can't even hear myself think.
Okay.
You're fine. You're saying what?
Probably fly by right here.
Yeah, I'll fly by right here. If you can grab the camera. Alright, it's on. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed my watching me struggle left and right, almost breaking my car. But yeah, my car idles fine now. It runs great. I just need to have the cat installed. And you're not gonna see episode 3 until it's barred. So I don't know how long that's gonna take. It'll come eventually. But you're gonna still see other videos because I can finally start driving it. Like I'm gonna redo the rear brakes from the drums to the calipers. I got interior installation stuff going on. A lot of these little things, I'm gonna, you know, eventually new seats, strut bars, all those little things you're gonna see eventually. I have mods lined up. It's just a little difficult right now when the car isn't running. I don't feel good posting videos that aren't, you know, with rollers, with little, like, you know, I can just move the car around because it's boring when it's all in my garage, man. So, hope you enjoyed. My legs are dying. Blood circulation is cut. Ow. I wish I found my chair. See you next time. Bye! Hope you enjoy a cinematic in the future about just this car. Rolling. Stills. I don't know. This is the end of the video. Hope no one's watching this part because I'm revealing a lot of random shit I'm done about to post. Yay!